Hi guys, I'm Redbird, and you see that castle over there in the distance? I'ma knock it down! Just watch me do it. No! I missed! At least I got some of it. I just need to get the rest of it. I got more of it down, but I still haven't gotten the whole structure. See? You see? Some of the people are down. I gotta get everybody. I missed! I'm getting so mad right now. Ah! Aw, man! Hey, Chuck! Yeah, what do you want, Redbird? Can you knock down the tower over there? Sure thing. Oh my god, I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die! Well, you shouldn't die then, Piggy. But I don't want to, they're knocking down the tower, you do not see that? No, we're facing just one way. I didn't hear anything. I don't have ears. That's right. Well, so much for you. You don't know anything. I do know some stuff, but I can't hear very well. Okay. We're gonna have to go back. Okay. Redbird, you do it first. Okay, Chuck. Ah! I got it! A nice one. Let me just... Yeah! Okay, see you guys.